Hey guys, how you doing? I think I am going to be selling GameStop, the GameStop swing trade tomorrow. More than likely, if I am if I break even close to the money, or if I'm somewhat profitable, I am going to be throwing it into snow. It looks like it's about to break out to the upside. I do think it might hit the 272, possibly even the 300 range. The last time it actually crossed over to the bullish side like this, on the 4-hour chart, we went up about, let me see, we went up about around 50 points, so about 50 bucks, right? I do think from here we are gonna start retouching the little bit lower under the 300 price range. Sentiment is changing. The day chart is starting to show weaknesses of a bearish run, so I think it's starting to turn bullish. And for the hour chart, we are still very bullish on the hour chart, and I still think we're going to keep up this. We're going to keep this up until the 272. I think we're going to cross, retest, and then go all the way up to a little bit under 300 bucks, and that's probably where I'm going to cash out. So yeah.